This is scary. Wow. These are very close proximity. One after another. Wow. Camera won't even pick them up. But you can hear them. Oh, look at the winds. Wow. Very strong winds in this thing. Well, that was close. Oh, wind's coming in that way. Still very windy. That was a big bolt right in front of me. I saw the tree that it struck. I hope my dash cam got that. Yeah, pea-sized hail coming out of this now. You can see them on the ground there. A couple landed in my lap. Pea-sized. And still very close lightning happening. Whoa! That hit 70 kilometers an hour. I'm getting pelted with hail. Well, that definitely struck that early learning center or whatever it is over there. Another one. Alright, it's just going back to rain now. It's basically almost blue sky above now. So this thing's got to be almost over. That was unreal.